Hopefully you enjoyed the little air cup demo. Shout out to BC Racing for getting me the coil set up. They're on Stance Parts cups at the top of it. Daniel helped me install them originally. Lewis helped me run the lines. And Garrett from BC actually helped me get everything measured so that it all fit properly and sealed, and so the cups would stay up or stay down. All that stuff. He had cups on his E36, so he was helping me along the way. I guess other than that, hopefully you enjoyed the mom coverage, the Mitsubishi Owners Meet. Nolani shot all of it on the little handy cam, and I did a little edit, and she actually finished the edit because I was being lazy and wanted to play Rocket League. And yeah, I guess that's really it. Oh, and we shot a little cinematic of me changing the Coilpacks because somewhere along the lines the Coilpacks failed. It's been like 6 or 7 years that I've had these Coilpacks. They're just Toyota Yaris Coilpacks on the SparkTech cover. That's what he sells basically. It's nothing fancy. I mean, everybody runs these Coilpacks on like 2Js, on SR20s, on Case, whatever. All those cars, everybody runs them. My next little upgrade on my 2J, because I had some problems again, I need to go bigger ignition stuff. I'm actually going to try Case Series Coilpacks instead of Yaris Coilpacks on that car and see how that all goes. So that could be sick, and we'll see what happens. So see you guys soon.